The 2024 Toyota Yaris Cross combines compact efficiency with cutting-edge design, perfect for city life. Featuring LED projector headlights for enhanced night driving and a power back door with a kick sensor for effortless access, it's built to make every journey convenient and safe. Step inside to find a Nano EX air purifier for fresher air and dual-zone automatic air conditioning for personalized comfort in every journey. Competitive finance packages available. Speak to our friendly sales team for a personalized quotation. Call or visit Platinum Toyota Bath today to schedule your test drive of the 2024 Toyota Yaris Cross. Speak to our team about paint protection, gap insurance, and tire and wheel protection for complete peace of mind.